Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you where is the library in Google Photos. You have to start by opening Google Photos application. Then tap at the profile icon at the right top and make sure that you use your correct account. You can switch to your another account or add your account. After that, you need to go to Collections, and actually Collections is your library, so right here you have it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!